When it comes to roofing, trust the experts at Priority Roofing. We're your reliable roofing contractor in Mandeville, LA, with over a decade of dedicated service. Our knowledge of Louisiana's climate ensures we provide the best roofing solutions tailored to your needs. We specialize in residential and commercial roofing services. Whether it's minor repairs or a full roof replacement, we deliver quality you can count on. Our team expertly handles everything from roof leak repairs to new installations, including shingle, metal, tile, and slate options. Our roofing systems are designed for Mandeville's challenging conditions. We use durable, storm-rated materials and ensure proper ventilation and moisture control. Each project comes with a clean, code-compliant installation, ensuring longevity and peace of mind. With our professional gutter installation, we further protect your property. Proper gutters prevent roof and foundation damage, reduce pooling water, and extend your roofing system's lifespan, ensuring it stands strong against the elements. Mandeville property owners trust us for many reasons. We're locally owned and licensed, with over 50 years of combined construction experience. We pride ourselves on fast response times, clear pricing, and thorough cleanup after every project. We offer free, no-obligation roofing estimates within 48 hours. Don't wait to safeguard your home or business. Contact Priority Roofing today for a roofing inspection and experience our exceptional service firsthand. Visit our website or call now to get started.